In today's video, I'm going to talk to myself. I'm going to promise to myself. Today, I will be happy all the time. Today, I will do all those works that I expect to me to do. Today, I will not blame anyone. Today, I will not be angry at anyone. Today, I will talk with and everyone with love. Today, I will not waste my time. Today, I will utilize my time by doing good things. Today, I will study enough. Today, I will drink water for my body, enough water. Today, I will not procrastinate any work. Today, I will not be scared. Today, I will not be scared about doing any work. Today, I will do my all works with 100% performance, 100% capability, and today I will do all those works as I can do. Today I will, and I'm learning English right now, so today I will practice a lot. Today I will practice a lot more, and as I as more as I can do, I will do. And today I will be happy all the time. I will not blame anyone. Today I will be care about myself. I will not waste my time on social media. Today I will not procrastinate anything, and I will do all those things that I like to do.